So hello everyone, this is the first page when you log into NoLimit Dashboard. After you set up in the first onboarding process, you will be directed to this page. This is an overview page, as you can see here. If you want to see what kind of social profiles, keywords or hashtags that you have monitored on the dashboard, you can just click here. And you can also filter all of these objects by select or unselect each of objects. And if you want to add another one, you can just click social profile plus and also write the username of each platform. For example, after that you can just click save in this button. So you can also see the process over here, or the notification process. In overview page, you can see several metrics like total engagement, total followers, total talk, total reach, and also the day-to-day performance of your engagement, the growth of the followers, reach and impression performance, and also talk and talker performance.